What's going on, everybody? Today I got an angle grinder on my tear apart and recover the valuable metals from. I finally quit. It's been working for a while. Get a bang on it to get it to work. I'm not going to pay to get it repaired. I'll just scrap it. Here's everything we recovered from the grinder. Half a pound of aluminum, a little bit over a pound of steel, 1/4 pound of insulated wire, a small amount of copper, and an armature that we can recover copper from later. Teardown time on the angle grinder about 12 minutes.